Dear Cheri, is it possible to make cannabis-infused massage oil? The idea hit me the other day when I went with a girlfriend to a spa and was getting a massage, and I thought this would be a great idea and I'd love to make some or buy some. Do you have any ideas? Well, yes, I do. Cannabis massage oil is actually one of the easiest topicals to make. So before I talk more about cannabis massage oil, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos. That will help us be seen more in the YouTube algorithms as well, so I really appreciate that. Oh, and by the way, if you like my big rooster or cock, if you will, smoking a joint t-shirt, those are available at my website, cannabischeri.com, along with some other fun cannabis-inspired designs. So check that out. There'll be a link in the comments. Okay, back to today's question, which was about making cannabis massage oils. And yes, I have a free tutorial download that you can get on my website. There'll also be a link in the comments to that on how to make your own cannabis massage oil. But yes, it's a great idea and it's very beneficial, and not only for the person who is getting the massage, but it's a double bonus because the person giving the massage gets the topical benefit of cannabis-infused massage oil as well. And anybody that gives massages on a regular basis knows how tough that activity can be on the hands and on your body entirely. So the person giving the massage gets benefit as well as the person getting the massage. And in its basic form, really, you can use any cannabis-infused oil for massage, like even an infused olive oil or an infused coconut oil, things like that. But in my tutorial, we take it a step further and scent it and try to impart other medicinal benefits by using essential oils as well. So that's kind of fun to play with. So check out the comments below for the link to that tutorial on making cannabis massage oils. They make great gifts for your friends, for your loved ones, for the holidays, for birthdays, and they're a lot of fun to make and also very therapeutic, as I said, for the person getting and giving the massage. So great question there. I'll see you all next time.